Hi, I'm TJ Smith, president of EAW. We're here at InfoComm, and I want to show you the new MKC series from EAW. We have some samples sitting right here. This is the MKC50, and like the name implies, that's based on a 5-inch coaxial driver. Over here we have the MKC80, that's an 8-inch. We also have a 60 in here and a 120. Now, these 50 and 60 are direct radiating dome tweeters for the high frequencies, but the 80 and 120 are compression drivers mounted to our patented CSA waveguide. This allows both band passes to combine coherently in the near field, so you're getting very smooth, even frequency coverage everywhere in the room with this technology. We have a lot of mounting options for these products. So if you take a look here at the back of the 50, we've got this bracket here that mounts to it. It comes with the loudspeaker. It is a pan and tilt bracket. In the event that you like to ceiling mount this, I can flip it over. Obviously this would bolt to the back, and then this ceiling bracket goes on. It lets you get that speaker really nice and tight up against the ceiling. It looks like it's kind of floating there, very elegant. And then on the bigger two, the 80 and the 120, we have a similar arrangement, this time with a much beefier bracket, this metal one here. And we have a similar ceiling bracket that goes with this one as well. There's yoke brackets, a whole bunch of different options, so a lot of different ways to mount this. Again, the 120 and the 80 also have a handle and dual angle pull cup in the event you want to use these in a live configuration or a production configuration. And the amplifiers here, these are, this is the 4401 and the 4403. All the settings you need, our FIR filters are already inside here. So you choose what speaker you have from a drop-down menu, and it's already fully configured for your use. And then there's a lot of different processing, EQ, compression options in there that you can set for your specific application. If you want to learn more, please head over to our website, EAW.com. If you want to find a local reseller, hit that Find Your Rep feature on the upper right-hand side.